Hi there, welcome to Yournotify. If you are in the e-commerce industry, then you know how important it is for you to stay on top of your email and SMS marketing game. And that's why you need Yournotify. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways that Yournotify can help you scale your e-commerce business. 1. With Yournotify's pay as you go feature, you only pay for what you use. No more monthly subscription fees. 2. Yournotify's email automation allows you to send triggered messages to your customers, such as abandoned cart emails or post-purchase follow-ups. 3. Yournotify's API integration allows you to easily connect with other apps and services, such as e-commerce platforms or CRM systems. This makes it easy to synchronize data and streamline your marketing processes. 4. Yournotify's email and SMS validation ensures that your messages are sent to the right inbox and to the right phone numbers. This reduces bounce rates and increases email and SMS deliverability. And finally, with Yournotify's payment in local currency, you can avoid currency conversion fees and simplify payment processes. This is especially helpful if you have customers in different countries. And there you have it. If you have any question, feel free to ask us. We would love to hear from you. Let's work together to succeed with Yournotify. Bye.